Now, today, let's start with chapter number 14, Means of Communication. In this chapter, we will study about different means of communication. Now, sending and receiving message. जो भी आप मैसेज भेज रही हो, रिसीव कर रहे हो, वो क्या कर रहे हो? आप किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो. So, it is called communication. When we share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings with other friends, relatives, and other people, we say we are communicating. We communicate with each other by different purpose, by talking or by writing. So, there are many ways to communicate. We do it by writing letter, talking on telephone, or through newspaper and magazine. So communication is not restricted to an individual. We can communicate with many people at a time. We can even communicate with the people living in the other distance country with the help of developed communication system. A good communication system serves many purposes. It unites people and create awareness. Has different means of communication in the form of print, audio, video. Right? Both personal and impersonal means of communication sends and receive message and makes the use of information in different field. Links the people globally. इसका क्या काम होता है? लोगों को globally link करता है. Then we have personal means of communication. When we are sending and receiving messages individually, it is called personal means of communication. When we live in proximity, we talk and communicate in person. And when we live in different cities or country, we need other means of communication. Then we have postal services. Nowadays, postal system is most common and cheapest means of communication. In India, public postal service was opened in 1837, and now we have the largest postal network, which is 1.5 lakh post offices in the world. A simple way to communicate with friends, relatives, to write letter and post in a letter box. Postmen collect the letters, and from these from there, what happened? These letters are delivered to the people address, right? And we have to write the complete address and the pin code. So speed post services helps to deliver letters quickly. इससे हम क्या करते हैं? Quickly letters को deliver करते हैं than the ordinary post. We can buy postcard in lands, letter, envelope, and stamps from the post office. We can also send parcels and even money through the post office. Now, telephone communication. So, telephone is the quickest means of communication. It provides two-way communication so that people in different cities and different countries can talk in a few seconds. We can even talk to the people far off cities country through STD or ISD. STD means subscriber trunk dialer and international subscriber dialing. Now, telegraph and telemax are used frequently in some parts of the world. Telegram messages, they are sent by Morse code, and telex is a printed message sent by a telex machine. The message is typed by a sender and it is printed out automatically. And telegram are the urgent message which is sent in the lesser time. Fax is the abbreviated, that is facsimile machine. They are widely used in offices and homes. They are connected to telephone lines and can transmit printed message or image. तो सबसे पहला टेलीग्राफ लाइन थी वो आपकी कहाँ कोलकाता और डायमंड हार्बर के बीच में थी. Now we have satellite phones. So satellite phones are the instrument which can be carried anywhere by the subscriber. Mobile phone has become an integral part of our life. So there is a significant improvement in the telephone services nowadays. ठीक है, देखेंगे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गई. अब इंटरनेट कम्युनिकेशन आ गया. So the computer has also used sending and receiving messages and information and pictures. It is possible to communicate very fast via internet. Email or electronic mail, it works with the internet with the help of modem. Internet and the World Wide Web has enhanced our ability to find, manage and share information in offices and houses. Sitting at home and we can find solution of our problems on the net. It is very useful for the student as they no longer need to rely on text notebooks only. So they can get information using internet and different website. ये fastest और low cost method है communication का. That is why it has become popular. Now iPhone, it was launched in 2007, right? It functions as a camera phone, portable media player, text messengers, and has email and web browsing facilities. It has also advanced video recording facilities. ठीक है, जो advanced जो video recording facilities है वो भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिले. Now mass communication to convey a message to large number of people. जैसे हम न्यूज़पेपर, रेडियो, टेलीविजन का यूज करते हैं तो उसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? इन्फॉर्मेशन एक लार्ज गैदरिंग को दे रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ी गैदरिंग, राइट? लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में आपका रेडियो, टेलीविजन, सिनेमा आ जाता है. प्रिंट मीडिया में आपका न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, जर्नल्स और पैम्पलेट्स आ जाते हैं. बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Now newspaper, it is the most common and cheapest means of spreading information. We can find people waiting for newspaper in the morning. It brings news, views, opinions. In India, newspaper are published in many languages. आप देखेंगे different language, English भी आता है, हिंदी भी, उर्दू भी, अलग अलग language में आते हैं, right? Then we have Bengal Gazette. It was the first newspaper जो आपका published हुआ था इंडिया में in 1780. कब हुआ था? 1718. Now advertisement, they this also have a strong impact on the people. They are used not only to sell product but also to spread social awareness. Now radio and television, they are the most effective means of mass communication. Even illiterates can listen to radio or watch program. And the television is a audio visual instrument. We can hear the sound and watch the pictures on the television. Now we can listen the news, discussion and have entertainment at home. Now our nation's national radio network is Akashvani, All Indian Radio. There are over 200 radio stations in India which rely on different programs. We have daily programs in Hindi, English and the regional languages also. FM broadcasting is very popular in India. Cinema is very popular means of entertainment. Indian produces large number of feature films. Then we have satellite communication which have made communication easier and faster. They orbit around the earth for a long period of time and they pick up the signal. वो क्या करते हैं, अर्थ से सिग्नल्स को पिक अप करते हैं और ट्रांसमिट देम बैक इंस्टेंट. These signal received on radio and television satellite makes us possible for us to watch live programs. Right? Satellites pictures helps us to forecast the weather and the world cinema seems very small today because of the widespread means of communication. हमें बहुत छोटा दिखाई देता है. ठीक है, किसकी वजह से? This widespread means of communication. Now we have done with this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.